help me. There you go.
You got the green one, right? I got the blue one too.
That's right. You got the blue screwdriver.
And you got the green one too, Dad.
Yes. What do we do with these?
We fix it.
We fix it. That's right. What are we fixing?
Bookshelf.
A bookshelf. What does a bookshelf hold?
A.
What goes on a bookshelf?
Books.
Books. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
We can fix those two.
We got to fix.
We have to fix.
Here, let me get the next one.
Next one.
Let me get the next one.
I got my hammer. I'm hammer.
You got your hammer?
Yeah. It's hammer.
Okay.
Your hammer's over there.
Can I have a screw, please?
I have it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you put it in that? Can you put it in the hole?
And mine can put that in.
Okay.
This.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you, please. Can you put the next one in for Dada?
I'm going to pick the next one. I have one more. So the next one.
Next one is right here.
Oh.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
The next one.
Next one.
I have the next one.
Next one goes right there. Good job, Mia. Okay, next one.
You.
Next one goes right here.
Go.
Thank you. And,
You're welcome. And the next one.
and the next one,
is two ones.
we need two.
I
How many? We need two screws.
have two screws.
All right.
You need this screw.
I do. Can you put it right here, please?
And go right.
Right there. Thank you. And I need one more.
I got one more.
Okay. I need it right there.
Okay.
Thank you. Try it again.
Okay.
Perfect. Oh, I got it. Thank you.
You got it.
Okay, now we need to look at our instruction book. We need to look at our instructions.
I got the. I'm gonna go get the camera. I'm gonna go get the camera.
Which camera?
That one, Mom's.
Oh, you want to go get Mom's? All right, you gonna go film stuff? Here you go.
Thank
Go show that to Mommy.
Okay.
Look, you see the camera? Don't put your hand over that. You see this? You can look and move it around. Look at the TV. Look at Dada. Go point at something with the camera. Go point at Mama.
Okay.
You gotta turn it. You gotta turn it up.
Turn it up.
Hold it. Hold it.
Mom.
Merci, bébé.